In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a gift card without using a CVV. Let's begin by understanding an important truth. Most gift cards do not require a CVV. That's right, only Visa, MasterCard, and Amex gift cards might have a CVV. Store gift cards like those from Amazon, Apple, or Google typically don't need one. This means the process is usually simpler and quicker. Now let's dive into the steps to make a purchase with a store gift card. First, open the checkout page of the online store where you want to make your purchase. This is the page where you will see a summary of your order and the total amount due. Make sure that everything looks correct with your order before proceeding. Next up, you'll want to select the option that says gift card or store credit. This is often located near the payment section. Selecting this tells the store that you intend to pay with a gift card rather than another payment method. It's a crucial step because it ensures that the system processes your payment correctly. Once you've selected gift card or store credit, it's time to enter the gift card number. This number is usually found on the back of the card or in the email if it's an electronic gift card. Be sure to enter it carefully to avoid any errors. A single wrong digit can prevent the transaction from going through. Now, if your gift card requires a PIN, you'll need to enter it. The PIN is typically found under a scratch-off section or provided alongside the gift card details in an email. Not all gift cards have a PIN, so don't worry if yours doesn't. This step is important because the PIN acts as a security measure, ensuring that only you can use this card. After entering the necessary details, click on Apply. This action will deduct the gift card balance from the total amount. You should see the balance automatically deducted from your order total. If your gift card covers the entire amount, you won't need to pay anything more. Isn't that convenient? However, if there's any remaining amount after the gift card balance is deducted, don't worry, you can pay the remaining balance with another payment method. This ensures that your order is fully covered before you proceed to the final step. Once everything looks good, it's time to confirm your order or click Place Order. This finalizes your purchase. You should see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the payment has gone through successfully. And just like that, you've completed your purchase without needing to enter a CVV. This process is straightforward and secure, ensuring that you can use your gift card with ease. Remember, no CVV is required for most store gift cards. This saves you time and gives you peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Now you're ready to make purchases with your gift card confidently. Enjoy your shopping and see you in the next video.